Hello everybody, Mugabe Imran here at mugabeimran.com, getting you started online. And in this video I'm going to show you how to sell your stuff online using Jiji, the free classified ads marketplace. If you don't know Jiji, it helps you sell your stuff, whether it's all new stuff, for free, completely free. You don't need a website for this. Many people are selling their stuff there and they have their shops in town. All you need is photos for your products and services, or some picture that shows your services, and then you just go to Jiji and look for the category of your product or service, and you start selling. Jiji will help you start looking for buyers. By the way, sometime back we made a video about how to sell on Jiji. If you would like to check that out, make sure to check it out on this channel. So let's jump right in. Let me show you how to sell your stuff on Jiji. In this video I'm going to show you how to post a free ad on Jiji and start making money selling your physical goods, your old used stuff, used TV, used shows, used phone. So in the last video I showed you how to sign up, so you should already have an account. I've linked the last video. The link is in the video description below. So to start off, you go to your account and go to the button that says sell. I already have my photos taken, and let's clear this. I already have my photos taken. You can simply, everybody knows how to take a photo, right? I don't need to go through that. So just tap on sell right there on your mobile app. You just go to Play Store, download the Jiji app, or you just go to jiji.ug or jiji.ng or jiji.com, whatever country you are in. As long as you are in Africa, you should be able to access it if it's in your country. Alright, so to create the ad, start with the category. So depending on the category that you are going to choose, you are going to have different settings. For example, if we say, let's type in something here, let's type in shoes, and I tap on shoes. Okay, that's the category of the products that I'm going to sell. So simply tap on add photo to start adding your photos. Now for me, you see, I have photos of headphones. That's what I'm going to be selling. But what I wanted to show you is, if you choose shows, you will have different options. For example, you have gender, women's or men's. You have things like the brand, which might be very common for most of the products, like TVs, like clothes. They have brands like Gucci, whatever. And then you have options like size. Now you're not going to find this option on you'll find something similar, like maybe inches for TV, okay, size for shows. So you're going to find different options here depending on what you select from the category. So from the category drop down. So from the category drop down, I'm going to type in headphones. Simple as that. By the way, you can sell whatever you want. If you notice, you can sell houses, property, you can post your CVs, you can sell vehicles, electronics, anything, even food. So I'm going to sell headphones. So I'm going to tap on add for my photos, tap on one and select. Okay, 9 photos. Most of these categories allow up to 10 or more photos. The more the photos, I've come to experience that the more the photos, the more impressions probably you'll get, and the quality of the photos also matters. So make sure the photos are visible enough, your products are visible enough. So as they upload, let's continue to the title. So title is so the headphones. Let me also add that. Okay, next is the region where you're going to advertise. So I want my ad to be in Kampala Central, right? Kampala or Western region, whatever region you are in, depending on your country. So for me, I'm going to post Kampala Central. Alright, next is the brand. So Jiji has done a very good work here, an excellent job creating or uploading all the logos, all the brands already there. So all you need to do is simply choose the brand of the product that you are selling. But my product should be letter S, and I'm seeing we are still in letter A. I can simply search it up here. Okay, that's my brand. Next is the model. I actually can't remember the model because I already threw away the box, but I'm going to guess. You can come back in later and just edit all this stuff. So next is the type, which is over here, and next is the form factor, which is headband. Next is connectivity, which is wired and wireless. Next is connection interface. Connecting interface is Bluetooth 3. Okay, mine is actually 2.5 millimeter or millimeter. I don't know what that actually is. Anyway, resistance is this one, the one which doesn't have a star. If you notice, some of these have a star. Select color has a star, select condition has a star, description has a star, and price has a star. So that star means they are compulsory, you can't skip through those ones. But since this resistance thing doesn't have a star, let me just skip through that. Go to color and choose gray. Next, condition is brand new. Next, description is Bluetooth, wireless, headphones. Okay, you can write up to 1000 characters. I've only used 32 characters. Let me add something. And also this Bluetooth speaker also uses memory card. Next, the charger comes with it, wired and wireless. Also make sure you let them know that this thing has a super bass. Okay, quality sound. Okay, let's take this, select that, cut it, put it at the end. Quality sound with super bass. Okay, that's better. So what we are trying to write is what we call copy in marketing copy or copywriting. It is very, very useful. Next is the price, which is okay, I'm going to put in a 5 something here for negotiation. I noticed some people saying this up to 100,000. I'm going to put mine at 79, and I'm going to leave room for negotiation by tapping on negotiable. Alright, so the rest of this stuff, the name, you already entered this while you are setting up your account. If you don't know how to set up your account, check out the last video about how to set up your account and start selling on Jiji. Alright, so if you want to change this, you can go to your account settings. The last and very important thing is promoting your ad. If you want to reach more people and make more sales, you can use the premium services by Jiji, which allow some of these premium services will even allow you to add your own website link and social media. They can also help you promote via email marketing, and they have a customer care support, dedicated admin member to help you with your stuff and all that good stuff. So for me, okay, some photos are still uploading here. Some photos, like let me see, this one did not upload. Okay, I think now they are okay. But for me, I'm not going to advertise for today. If you want to check that out, come in and check it out. Okay, so I'm just going to go with the standard ad, the free ad, and tap on post. But before you do that, you can check out the rest of the stuff and make sure everything is fine. Okay, so post ad, some photos are still being uploaded. Okay, all the photos are still being uploaded, because if it's not being uploaded, you will see this tick, a green tick that shows that the photo is has finished uploading. So I'll give that time to finish, and then just post. Tap on post ad, and your ad will go in review. Your ad will be in review for a few hours depending on the category that you have chosen, and then your ad will be live. You start getting ad views and chats and people calling you to buy your stuff and all that good news. So that's it for the video. Hope it helps you get started selling your physical goods, and also getting some work, some freelance work on Jiji. Alright people, I hope it helps you get started selling your stuff online for free, completely free. And if you like the video, be sure to hit the like button and share the video with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I hope to see you in the next video.